If you need to share a Gamma presentation link quickly and properly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to copy and share your Gamma presentation link in just a few clicks. This is perfect whether you're sending a presentation to a teammate, a client, a class, or posting it somewhere for others to view. By the end, you'll know how to open your Gamma presentation, adjust the sharing settings if needed, copy the link, and share it anywhere you want. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy, step-by-step tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open the Gamma presentation that you want to share. Make sure you are inside the correct presentation before you send anything out, because the link you copy will give access to that specific file. Once the presentation is open, look near the top of the screen for the share button and click it. This is where Gamma gives you the options for sending your presentation to other people. After clicking share, choose the link sharing option. Gamma may show different sharing methods depending on your account settings, but for this tutorial, we want the option that lets us generate a shareable link. If Gamma asks you to set or confirm access permissions, take a moment to check those carefully. This is important because your sharing settings determine who can open the presentation and what they can do with it. You may be able to allow viewing only or choose a broader access level depending on what you want. Once the access permission is set the way you want it, click Copy Link. Gamma will copy the presentation link to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you need. This is the fastest way to send your presentation without having to manually type or recreate anything. Now you can paste the link into an email, a chat message, a document, or even a social post, depending on how you want to share it. Just remember that anyone with access to the link can open the Gamma presentation based on your sharing settings. So always double check that the permissions match your intent before sending it out. If you want people to only view it, make sure it's set that way. If you want collaboration or editing access, confirm those settings before you copy the link. And that's it. You've now learned how to share a Gamma presentation link in a simple and secure way. It only takes a few steps once you know where the share button is and how to copy the link correctly. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.